To fix Windows 11 taskbar not working, first restart Windows Explorer. Press and hold Ctrl, Shift and Escape key on your keyboard to open Task Manager. If you'll get Task Manager in compact mode, then click on More Details to open it like this. Scroll it down, find Windows Explorer, right-click and select Restart. After doing so, check if your taskbar is working again or not. If not, then follow our next method. Do the same, press and hold Ctrl, Shift and Escape key on your keyboard to open Task Manager. Then click on Run New Task. Type services.msc. Check this box to allow administrative privileges. Then click on OK. Here, you need to find two services, Application Identity and Windows Search. Once you'll find these services, right-click and select Properties. In here, click on Start if it's not running. Then click on OK and restart one more time. After running both services, simply shut down your computer using power button on your laptop and check if that helped you to fix your problem. That's all for today. See you in the next video.